Love them. Y'all notice how I do human hair on this channel. I have to give it a company like 2 or 3 goes. After that, if I see this good quality hair, we add them to the rotation. And I definitely like the units that I've gotten from ULAHAIR in the past. Okay, if you look in that description box, I put a direct link to where you can go and purchase this unit, as well as all the details that you need to know. All I did was take it out of the shipping box, because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So it came in a little sack with ULAHAIR's name on the front. And inside of the sack, of course, we have the wig, but there are some other extras in here as well. They have some eyelashes, which are cute. I'm trying to stop wearing eyelashes, but I can't. A rat tail comb with their name on it. Some stocking caps, a detail card about their hair and all the things that they offer, all the different types of hair that they offer. Is there something else in here? Yep, there's something else in here. Oh, and an edge band with their name on it as well. Okay, so all those little extras do come in handy. I can't remember what I ordered, but like I said, check that description box and you will see. Maybe they wrote it on this card. Hold on. Oof, it's getting stuck. All right, so all I see is that I got a 12-inch wig. Like I said, I can't remember anything else about it, but I do see that it is a closure, that's either a 4x4 or 5x5, which is always going for me, because y'all know that I need something that's easy, where I don't have to glue something down, I don't have to tack it down, and the construction of this wig lets me know this is going to be very easy, very beginner friendly. So you get that parting space up there. Like I said, check the description box for how much. You get a comb to the right, you get a comb to the left, you get a comb in the back, and you also get adjustable straps, but they have also pre-attached the adjustable band that's going to make the wig lay flush to your head as well. And it also has those adhesive, I'm saying adhesive, but it's not sticky, but you know what I mean. Those little waves on it that'll make it lay flush to your head as well. Like I said, I got 12 inches because y'all know I love me a little 12-inch little bopper. So I think this is going to be very, very cute and very beginner friendly. Before I cut off that lace, let me put it on so we can see what it looks like. Y'all, it's just something about this length that I really, really love. It makes me feel like I'm on my business. Like I'm, you know, doing the right thing. I'm not stealing out of Walmart self-checkout, all right? I love this length. There's the hairline up close. Let me get a comb. And because you get that party space, I mean, you can part this wherever your little heart desires, right? So that's pretty dope. Yeah. All right, y'all. So let's cut off this lace. And I might throw a few curls in it, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one.
All right, guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and I think that this wig is so cute, so beginner friendly, perfect for the summer, perfect for the fall. You really don't have to do much to it. I just threw a few curls in it, and this is what we got. I think it gives that very like tousle bedhead look that I'm absolutely in love with, even when I'm looking for my synthetic wig. So this is a human hair version of one of my most favorite styles to wear. So I'm absolutely in love with this one from ULAHAIR. It is everything that they said it would be. It's glueless. You don't have to do much to it. It's just, like I said, I threw some curls in it, and this is what we got. I think that the hairline looks pretty good as is. Y'all know that I'm team no baby hair, but if you swoop those baby hairs that it does come with, it probably will make it look even more natural. But this is the perfect throw on and go unit, and I can 1000% recommend that you go check this one out from ULAHAIR. If you look in that description box, I put direct link, all the details on this little bopper that I got, because this is a must. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.